Hello and welcome to OAIRO. Thank you for joining us for this brief demonstration of some live projects from around the world. We'd like to just run you through some of our dashboards. These are all currently running live, so you'll appreciate there's some slight delays in web speeds. So we will start by Beretta's hotel in Melbourne, Australia, and we can see the current outdoor temperature, humidity and CO2 levels on that particular venue. Taking a quick look at the dashboards for inside, we have a 550-seater bistro, which at this time of the evening over there, 6:24 p.m, will be very busy, often serving 1,000 plus covers per evening. 550-seater with a large glass facade down one side, adjoining the largest indoor play area for children in Australia currently. So we can move on to the gaming area. Again, a very busy area of the venue. As you can see, the set point temperature is 22.3 and the system is currently maintaining 22.12. The CO2 level is maintained nice and low to keep people's attention and their focus and keeping them happy and active. Again, CO2 humidity is good and low. And we can then move on to looking at Cancer Hub, which is a venue in Dubai, and this is a factory, so we have offices and factory space. Indoors we can see there are variants of set points from 22 degrees up to 26.5 degrees depending on the individual's requirements. Again, it's currently 39.1 degrees outside and 408 parts of CO2. Inside we have a dashboard here. Each individual user can control their temperature and their atmosphere in their space. So this particular person has set their temperature to 23 degrees and the system is currently maintaining it at 23.04 with 753 parts per million of CO2 and 53% humidity. The CO2 level for this building is set at 800 parts per million, so we're inside of the limits. We can move on to looking at the plant here. So again, we can see the temperatures, pressures, humidity, etc. for the system. If the CO2 level was to go over 800, then the dampers would automatically activate to bring in fresh air and exhaust the bad air. We have metering, which is handled from a range of smart meters on site. So this gives us the ability to look and analyze data from today, the week, the year, or however long we want to go back. So we have live feeds and we can export all of this into Excel CSV files. Moving to the UK now, we can see a dramatic drop in temperatures, although the sun is coming up, and as you see it just jumped from 6 degrees to 8.4. Oh, moving around a little bit there now. As the sun moves on the building. So we've got 410 parts per million of CO2 outside, 64% humidity. Inside the building you can see we're nice and tight to our set points. Again, we can go in, we can change the temperature in the room by just pressing the plus or the minus sign and turning the temperature up or down. If we turn it up, we will see the damper open or close. So we have a requirement and then we have the command and a feedback percentage for this. So we can see exactly what it's doing. Again, we can see what the plant is doing. So it's just moved to cool to keep us to our tight set point. All of our set points are currently being operated within 0.25 of set point. So you will see the system go into heating and cooling as required. And that is the demonstration for the OAIRO dashboards. We've gone from Australia to Dubai to the UK, and I hope that gives you a little taster of our capabilities. Thank you.